Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Marlene with Savory Thoughts, savorythoughts.com. In today's video, we are making this delicious, mouth-watering Cowboy Caviar. Now, this is the recipe that you want to have for your next gathering as it is so delicious and it includes a very sharp sweet flavor. Now, this recipe is also on our website at savorythoughts.com. And friends, I want to say to you that this is one of our main recipes that our audience usually go to. So, without further ado, let's get to it. You need orange and red bell peppers with chili powder, black eyed peas, sugar, black beans, salt, fresh cilantro, half of red onion, sweet corn, and to begin, you want to make sure that you wash your vegetables thoroughly. Starting off with the red bell pepper, be sure to remove the seeds and the stems. Once you remove the stems and the seeds, now it's time for us to start slicing and dicing. Carefully place your bell pepper on a cutting board. Slice your bell peppers into even size or as much as possible. Then carefully dice. You want to make sure that you dice into bite-sized pieces as this salsa is so crunchy. You want to make sure that you enjoy every crunch. Transfer everything to a large bowl and repeat the process with your orange bell peppers. Transfer it to a large bowl. Next, we are slicing and dicing our onion. Once you are done dicing the onion, transfer it to the mixture with the bell peppers. Now it's time for us to add in the sweet corn. Add the black eyed peas. Before you add in your beans and your black eyed peas as well as the corn, be sure that to drain and rinse the beans carefully. Add in black beans, sugar, as well as chili powder, followed by the salt, garlic powder, white wine vinegar, give it a quick stir, and at this time we also added in olive oil. Continue to stir to well combine. Once you are done stirring, you may set it aside if you are not ready to use it yet. Now we are chopping our cilantro. This is the perfect time to add in the cilantro if you are serving your salsa immediately. Now friends, once you add your cilantro to your caviar mixer, go ahead and add in the lime juice. We use 1 whole lime. This is also equivalent to 1 tablespoon. Now continue to stir to combine. Make sure that all of the ingredients are well incorporated. Now, doesn't this look so beautiful? It's delicious. Set it aside. Now, if you're ready to serve, Give it a quick taste. Make sure everything tastes just the way you want it. And guys, this recipe again is on the website at savorythoughts.com. See you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers.